Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're checking out the best free animated illustrations for UI designers, graphic designers, whoever you are, you will find this video very useful. Of course, I now have an Instagram which is at Puneet Chawla Official. I will really appreciate you if you go and support me there at Puneet Chawla Official. I post a lot of cool, valuable content there as well. Okay, so the first tool that we're going to look at is pixeltrue.com. And Pixeltrue has a variety of designs and illustrations which are all animated. There are some premium illustrations, but they have a section dedicated to their free animated illustrations. All you need to do is just scroll down and you'll see all these wonderful and amazing, cute looking, honestly, animations and illustrations that you can put inside your project. Each illustration has some or the other animation. Of course, there are multiple collections of these illustrations. There's this general animated illustration library as well. The rocket, the robot, the security guard. So you have a lot of different varieties of packs of just free animated illustrations that you can get from this website. You can download this as a JSON Lottie file, or you can download it as a GIF. And you can even get the static SVG. Now the next animation library is actually an animated font. It's very rare to find some very good animated fonts for free, and Shutterstock has you covered. This font called Ribbon is a free animated typeface. I'll quickly just run this video so that you guys can check out how this looks in action. Let me just check. See how that works? That looks really nice. That looks really good. And they have all the kind of letters and numbers that you require. You can download each one of these as a separate MOV file. And of course, you can implement these in your favorite Adobe XD, Sketch, or Figma, whichever one's your favorite. And you can do that by using a plugin called Anima. It allows you to insert all these cool GIFs, JSON files, as well as all these animated videos into your projects. Now, this next resource is from Icons 8. Now, Icons 8 already has a bunch of really beautiful looking icons, but now you can get them in animated form as well, in the form of JSON and Lottie files, as well as GIF and After Effects format. So a lot of formats are supported here. You can search for various kind of animations. They have very conveniently given you a search bar right here. So for example, I want to create, or I want to incorporate emoji animations. I can quickly click on emoji, and as you can see, as I hover over these, they actually animate and they look really good. They look very smooth and they will work in any project. These are not icons which are fit only for certain designs, but will work with any and every project that you can name. Some of these animations even have a 3D aspect to it. For example, there is this rugby ball. If I click over this, see how this rugby actually rotates in a 3D space. A lot of these icons look as if they are working or moving in a 3D environment, which makes them look very unique. Now, this next set of animated illustrations is by Drawkit, and Drawkit is already a very trustworthy website. They have a lot of cool collections of illustrations and icons, and in this case, you can download an entire pack of 10 very smooth and very good looking animations for your website or your UI or app design. And as you can see, each one is based on a certain theme. There's a lot of consistency in the way these animations work with respect to the kind of animations they are, the timing, the colors used, the style of illustrations used, and much more. Not only that, I'd suggest using Drawkit for any source of illustrations. There are a lot of cool packs that you can use, each having unique kind of illustrations, unique kind of animations as well, and a lot of these are actually free, so you don't have to pay. For example, I'll look at this watermelon animation, which I think is a very good animation library for abstract kind of designs like this one, and you can quickly just free download it. Now, this is a website that I've recently come across for animated icons and illustrations which look really good and are being used by a lot of top companies out there. As you can see, they have a bunch of animated illustrations right here, different packs for different reasons or different purposes. Some of these are actually free. I love this coronavirus icons, which are basically free to use and free to download. I don't know where you're going to use this burger, but this cool burger animation is also free, $0 as you can see. Another set of cool free animated icons is Lord Icon. I know it's a very interesting name. These days you get to see very few names like this, but they have something called an Essentials pack. All these essential animations and illustrations that are required for your project are in this pack. Not only that, as a cherry on top of the cake, they even have a customizing editor. So I can quickly just go to this Lord Icon editor and I can check out all these cool features that they have. As you can see, I have this upload Lord Icon right here, and I can quickly just change the main colors. For example, I want a purple and maybe I'll want a reddish like this or something like that. Maybe a green, contrary to that. I love this. Not only that, you can use this editor for any kind of animations, Lottie animations. You can just drag here and you can edit right here. And at the end of the day, you can either download it as a JSON Lottie file or a GIF or even a static PNG if you don't want that animation at all. That was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I post every Monday and Thursday. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click that bell icon. That really helps me out a lot grow my channel. Also click on that like button so that people know that this is a good video to watch. And I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. God bless.